Hey, what's up YouTube? This is JB here. It's the first weekend of December. We're here at the Carlsbad outlet. We're going to go ahead and visit the Nike factory outlet to see what type of deals and steals that we can see. Let's go. All right, you guys, we're here at the Carlsbad Nike outlet. I want to see what we have, what type of deals that we have in here. These are the items that we have for these aisles. Moss. Alright, we're gonna go to the other aisle. Here. I've already been down this aisle, so there's not much. And we have a lot of like the Reacts, Zoom. So we just go down the aisle. Okay. Now we're starting here at the men's. Alright, so the Nike Zoom Heritage N7s, $60 minus 30, so about 42 bucks. Have these other ones here. Here they have some PG3s. Looks like they have full-size running. Alright guys, they have some slides here for JDIs. They have a lot of these Element 87s going for $109. No other discounts. More JDI slides, Rotchies. Alright, we're here at the men's. I'm just gonna go down the aisle because there's really not much to see here. Alright guys. Okay. This is one of the reasons why I've stopped going to the Carlsbad. This is their hash wall. It's like just 3 rows. Look at that. Not much heat. Let me see. I'm just trying to see what they have. Air Force One Wheats. Retail price minus 30. They have those Air Jordans that I showed earlier. 34s, 170 minus 30. Only size 14 though. And let's see here, they have the MX 97 SCs, 119 minus 30. These ACG Reacts, 69 minus 30. MX 720s. That's pretty much it here at the hash wall. Going through the women's section to see what they have. Not much. We do have the Air Max 720s RCs. Pretty good price for $79. And the ocean color for $89. Okay. There's a couple more here. Alright, we're still here at the women's section. They have a lot of these Nike Air Max Flies. 50 bucks. They have the Joyrides. 99. They have these Roshis. Wow. If you guys still looking for Roshis, they have them here. You have a couple of the Cortez Basics.
I mean, we're going to start there.
Alright guys, this is the hash wall for the women here at the Carlsbad. There's not much. And we do have some backpacks for sale. So it's not like the clearance store where everything was 30% off. They have only select items that are for percentage off. Now we do have some hoodies. The JDI hoodies for $39 from $55. So not much more. T-shirts for $2 for $30. Okay. So I do have my Air Jordan Breads. See, and then my Air Jordan hoodie. Alright guys. We do have select items, but not the entire store is on discount. This is one of the smaller stores, so I think we're gonna call it a day. Alright guys, there were a lot of heat in that store, and they do have some items on sale, but this is one of the smaller outlets. We're gonna go. All right, guys, that was the L for that Nike outlet. I rarely go to this Carlsbad Nike outlet anymore because the way they shortened or like shrunk their hash wall. I rarely come here. I do come here for like they do have the Adidas outlet store, so we would go there and check what other deals. But if you just come here for the Nike, it's really not worthwhile. You're much better going to the San Clemente and also like the San Isidro one. So you're much better to go over there. Get your Travis Scott's Reese's Puffs. $3.99. Hype cereal.